2019 Porsche Cayenne Off-Road 2019 Porsche Cayenne GTS 2019 Porsche Cayenne Interior, New Cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Porsche brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Porsche Cayenne Off-Road 2019 Porsche Cayenne GTS 2019 Porsche Cayenne Interior, New Cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Porsche Cayenne Off-Road 2019 Porsche Cayenne GTS 2019 Porsche Cayenne Interior, New Cars by, introduced at a huge event on its home turf in Stuttgart. The third generation Porsche Cayenne is here, and it may be the brand's most important launch in a long time. Porsche's King of Suburbia is the quintessential sport utility vehicle with a capital Sport and the model that can be credited with fortifying the company's bottom line enough to enable it to continue building the sports cars we really crave. Porsche, predictably, says the Cayenne is closer to the 911 than ever and cites the optional all-wheel steering system and the staggered size tires, which are wider at the rear. But the fact is the Cayenne is spun from the Audi-engineered MLB modular longitudinal architecture, and that's not a bad thing. This component set is far lighter and more advanced than the previous Cayenne's PL71 platform. Porsche says the new model is up to 143 pounds lighter despite its added content, greater safety, and additional passenger space. Power comes from several new engines developed in cooperation with Audi. The base Cayenne comes with a single turbo 340 HP 3.0-liter V6, 0 to 60 miles per hour in a claimed 5.8 seconds, top speed of 152 miles per hour, while the Cayenne S is powered by a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 with 440 horsepower, 4.9 seconds, 164 miles per hour. Those are the only two variants Porsche is talking about right now, but well before the new Cayenne hits US turf, Porsche will have unveiled the Cayenne Turbo with a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 rated at 550 horsepower. Every third-gen Cayenne is fitted with an 8-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Down the road and sooner rather than later there will be a V6 plug-in hybrid model based on the 2.9-liter V6, as well as a range-topping V8 plug-in hybrid, which will be called the Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid. The latter powertrain already is available in the Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid, where it makes 680 total system horsepower. Porsche also has developed two diesel models, a 3.0-liter V6 and a 4.0-liter V8. They are virtually ready for the market, but sources tell us that they may be yanked. Both engines were developed by Audi, and Porsche is more than slightly miffed at the marketing and PR disaster engendered by Audi's emissions cheating software. We do hope that cooler heads prevail, because these engines are awesome. The new Cayenne is brimming with cutting-edge technology, although much of it, in typical Porsche fashion, will cost extra. Among the temptations are the ever-popular Sport Chrono package that Porsche says knocks 0.4 second off of the 0 to 60 mph times of both models and brings a sport end setting, a dash-mounted analog stopwatch, the aforementioned all-wheel steering system, electrically operated anti-roll bars that necessitate a 48-volt electrical system, and an adjustable air suspension. 3 braking systems are available, including carbon ceramics. The new Cayenne is the first vehicle to offer Porsche's surface-coated brakes, which incorporate a tungsten carbide surface layer on traditional iron rotors that is intended to extend longevity, improve performance, and reduce brake dust. Without deviating too far from its predecessor, the new Cayenne truly looks good, longer, lower, wider, and with bigger wheels. The best part is the rear, characterized by a wide, horizontal strip of taillights that is reminiscent of the Panamera. The cargo hold has grown by more than 3 cubic feet, and the interior is generously sized for 5. We love the new dashboard as well, which is modeled after the Panameras and shares a lot of components with its luxurious sedan sibling. There is a central touch with TFT screens left and right, and the infotainment system is mainly controlled by a 12.3-inch touchscreen atop the center console. The console itself combines physical buttons with touch-sensitive controls. It's a futuristic look that manages to mirror the previous model's analog setup while offering potential for further individualization. The 2019 Cayenne will reach dealers in the US in mid-2018, with the base model starting at $66,750 and the Cayenne S commanding $83,950. In the meantime, check out our prototype drive for first-hand impressions from behind the wheel of pre-production units. Price, $66,750. Thanks.